Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another nail video. I know it has been forever since I posted nail content on my channel, like a full video. I have not posted one in a very long time, but today I am going to be doing Gel X nails on my friend, and I still don't have these nail camera angles down packed, so sometimes you might not be able to see what products I'm using, but I will be sure to insert photos of all the products, and of course I will leave them in the description box below. So I'm just starting off with some nail care and cuticle care. I am filing some of her nail growth, and then I'm going in with some cuticle cream. I push back the cuticles and I just clean up the nail plate of any dead skin that comes off just from pushing. I'm really trying to refrain from cutting cuticles, especially on clients and just other people's nails that I do, because sometimes it's really just unnecessary, and cutting too much skin around the cuticle can lead to infection, and I don't want to be the cause of somebody's nail infection, so I just try to refrain from it unless I think it's absolutely necessary. So after I'm done with the cuticles, I'm just using a buffer to remove the shine on her natural nails. The nail tips I'm going to be using today are from the brand Goo Trades, and I just bought them on Amazon. They are a Apres dupe, but they definitely aren't as durable, I would say, but they are more flexible. So I specifically like to use these on clients who have like a wider nail bed, or like a wider and flatter nail bed. These work so much better. Like my friend here, I always use these on her, and they just fit her nails so much better. So a big part of nails lasting is making sure you have the right kind and right size of tip for your nail bed. Before I go in with the nail tips, I am going to use a bonder and a primer on her natural nails. And then I'm also using a Gel X tip primer inside of the nail tips, and all of the bonders and primers that I used are from the brand Apres. Apres is like the first Gel X brand that I've ever tried. Recently I've been like venturing off and trying cheaper things and trying to see like if the quality is just as good, because sometimes it is, other times not so much. I do feel like Apres has probably one of the best tips, like nail tips, that I've used so far, but I don't know, sometimes you just don't work for everybody's hand. So I actually tried a new method of application for these nails. I've been seeing people do this, but I've never done it. Recently, I've been having problems with the nails lifting and just falling off quicker than they should be. So I decided to try this new method and kind of test out maybe this is something I should be doing. But basically, I'm putting a layer of the Extend gel on her natural nails and curing that first. And I am using the Savvyland Nail Extend Gel. I've been liking this one a lot lately, and it's cheaper than the Apres one that I usually use. So once that first layer on the natural nail is cured, it's going to be like a tacky sticky layer. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the nail extend gel inside the nail tip and apply the nail tips like I normally do. So I know it's kind of hard to see what I'm doing here, I'm so sorry, but I am just applying the extend gel in the nail tip and then applying the nail tip on her fingernail. I would try to make a more detailed video showing you what I'm actually doing very soon. But yeah, I'm just applying those tips on all her fingers. So the tips I had were like long stiletto shape and she wanted medium round. So I just went ahead and trimmed and filed them to get the shape that she wanted. So now it's time for the nail design, and to start I went in with 2 coats of that nude base color. And for the design, we were gonna do black French tips with one flame nail, and then we added some gold accents and a little bit of charms at the end. I also love black French tips. I just think they're so cute. It's still like classic and elegant and simple, but it's just a little bit different, a little bit edgy compared to the traditional white tips. So the pinky is where we decided to put the flame design, and I love these little flames. I learned how to do them like a month or two ago. It's probably the coolest design I know how to do at the moment, to be honest. And let me know if you guys would like an in-depth tutorial on how to do the flame nail art. I know there's a million out there, but I haven't made one yet. So if you guys want to see one of those on my channel, I can definitely do that. They're actually really simple. I feel like it would be such a quick video. So next I just went in with a little bit of gold. We just did a thin outline on the French tip. I am using non-wipe top coat to finish off the nails. This one is also from a Prey. And lastly, I'm just adding these little gold slash brassy looking charms. She ended up choosing one cross on the ring finger and a little heart on the pointer finger. And that was basically it for the nails. This is how they turned out. I think they look super cute, and my friend's gonna actually keep me updated to see how long the nails last or if there's like any lifting and stuff. Since I did try that new application method, I really want to see kind of like what's the difference between what I usually do versus doing it this way. And then I just had to throw this in here, but I also did her daughter's nails. These were giving me like Barbie and Ken vibes. They were so cute. But that is it for this nail video. If you are interested in more nail content, more frequent nail content, you can check out my Instagram page for nails. It's called Galaxy Nails. I'll put it right here on the screen. That page is dedicated to all my nail work, so if you're interested, definitely check it out. But like I said, I will try to be back with more tutorials and just more nail content here on my YouTube channel. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.